Let's get sporty. The Africa Rally champion Karan Patel is aiming for a top 10 finish in this year's WRC Safari Rally Kenya, which will be held from the 28th to the 31st of March in Naivasha, Nakuru County. Our sports reporter Ivy Terry joined him at his garage and filed the following report.
After failing to finish the last two editions of the WRC Safari Rally due to mechanical issues, Karan Patel has acquired a 2018 Skoda Fabia R5, a car which was formerly owned by Carl Tundo, and with it, Patel is gearing up for the WRC Safari Rally with determination and hunger for success.
Yeah, it's as much as it's a new car, it's a used car. It has finished quite well. It did finish well in the last edition of the Safari Rally, so yeah, hopefully it'll be a different experience and a better one at that. But time will tell, so we just have to wait and see what's going to happen now.
The 2023 Africa Rally champion is optimistic for a top 10 finish, a fate he knows will not be easy to achieve.
Top 5 is not easy, given that the maybe top 8 or 9 will be filled with WRC1 cars, and you know it's not easy because the WRC1 cars have a lot more power than our cars, so it's not a fair race. So you have to look at removing the WRC1 cars from the equation, and then start counting after that.
The WRC Safari Rally will be the third round of the 2024 World Rally Championship season, and this is a platform where local drivers will be expected to display their talents on an international stage. A host of local drivers are expected to start this time round, with the likes of Nihil Sachania, Jasmine Chana, and Carl Tundo eager to rev off.
Rally 1 cars, there's probably going to be around 8 or 9 of them, and you have to give them those slots. Unless they have issues, you have to dedicate the top 10 to, or the top 9 to the P1 cars. So chances are slim, but nothing's impossible in rally. Yeah.
With the WRC Safari Rally now scheduled for Easter holiday that comes with an unpredictable weather conditions, Karan Patel and his team seeks to leave an incredible mark on one of the world's most iconic rallies. Ivy Terry for KTN Sports, Nairobi.
Posta Rangers defeated Ulinzi Stars 1-0 in a Football Kenya Federation match held at the